Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today, CPI came in lower than expected and provided a much needed bounce for the overall market. Tomorrow, PPI will be coming out at 8:30 a.m. so expect more volatility in the markets. Now let's jump into the technicals, starting with ticker symbol AAPL, Apple. So on the day, Apple stock was down 1.75%, not participating in today's rally. This did not surprise me at all because recently, Apple did not only invalidate one bear flag, it invalidated two bear flags. So this is how a bear flag is supposed to play out. As you can see on this bear flag, Apple completed a full retracement of the flagpole. However, on these two bear flags, Apple did not complete the retracement. Luckily, I am a technical enthusiast, so I knew exactly where Apple stock was heading. By the way, what I'm about to show you guys is free game. That is worth a lot if used correctly. So smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Alright, so all I had to do was, instead of using the measurement of the flagpole to the downside, I used it to the upside. And that's how I found the peaks. With that said, I'm looking for Apple to come down to $210 per share. So currently, Apple is sitting above support at $215. Below that, Apple's next support is at $210 and at $205. Now, above $215, Apple stock has resistance at $223 and at $230. Now, once Apple finds its floor, I will update you guys on where I think Apple will be heading. The next ticker is MARA, Marathon Digital. So last week I played Marathon Digital to the upside for a 15% profit. On this screenshot you can see my entry and exit. Now if you're looking for exposure to crypto in the stock market, Marathon Digital is a company you could invest in. In my opinion, Marathon Digital is a good deal below $13.78. Current support for the stock is at $12.79. The next support below that is at $12.19. Above current support you have resistance at $13.70 and at $14.40. Sometime in the future, I'm looking for the stock to be worth $22 per share. The next stock is Intel. So after getting rejected at my resistance level at $28, Intel stock saw a decline of 29%, taking shares all the way down to $19. Currently, Intel stock has support at $20 per share. Below that, your next support is at $19.67 and at $18.27. Now, above $20, you have resistance at $21 and $23 per share. Overall, my personal target for Intel is at $38 per share. The next ticker is SOUN, Sound AI. So today the stock rallied 6.9% off support at 860. In my opinion, this is a AI stock worth looking into, even though they're not yet profitable. Once the stock can break out of this bullish pennant, I'm looking for it to hit $13 and $18 per share. Current support for SoundHound is at $860. Below that, you have your next support at $7 per share. Above current support, you have resistance at $10 and $13 per share. The next ticker is QUBT, Quantum Computing. This is another stock, in my opinion, that's worth looking into. So recently, the stock could not hold above 670 and ended up falling to support at 450. Today, the stock had a nice bounce of 14%. If this bullish momentum continues, I think the stock could hit $11 per share. That's a 100% increase from current price. So support right now is at $5.24. Below that, you still have support at $4.50 per share. Above support, you have resistance at $6.70 and $9 per share. The next stock is Upstart, ticker symbol UPST. So from its lows of August 2024, Upstart had a run of 354% at highs. Currently, the stock is down 48% off its peak. In my opinion, this might be a great stock for investors to consider. Current support for Upstart is at $46 per share. Below that, you have support at $41. Now, above 46, you have resistance at $56 and $62 per share. In my opinion, if Upstart can stay above $46 per share, there is a good chance the stock could hit $71.